Good morning, my name is Paul Halal. I'm with Garland. I've been with them for 12 years. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the Garland Induction. Garland Induction, this is our new introduction of this year. The product is very unique. On the single hobs and the dual hobs, you have the capability not only of cooking the product, but you also have the capability of holding the product. And not only holding, but holding it with a timer. So you can add a timer function on how long you would like to hold or cook the product on the hobs. And this is a standard feature that a lot of the competition don't have. Our line is a complete line. Again, much more deeper than anything you see in the marketplace. We have the woks, and woks from 3.5 to 5 kilowatts. Available, and the unique induction product, which is the griddle. The griddle is again an amazing product because the surface at the top is chrome nickel. Chrome nickel is an insulator, doesn't give the energy to the environment, keeps it inside the plate, so your searing capabilities are amazing, and your cooking evenness from one corner to the other are exactly the same. The induction griddle comes in two different sizes, 14 by 21 or 24 by 24 for larger capacities.